just going to tell you some of my magic secrets. Actually, I'm learning as I'm going, and I read that you're supposed to write a script, and yeah, we're not there yet. If I stopped to write a script, it would be next year before we even got done. But what I was going to tell you, I was going to say something. This is upside down because I like this so much. I was going to tell you something. Okay, I'm going to have to cut this part out. And it was interesting. Okay, well, it was to me. Oh, I was filming with my phone, and that wasn't really working, so now I'm filming with my iPad after I updated. And you know what I mean when I say after I updated. You know what I'm saying. I did not go up as high as everybody else is. I just wait for everybody to figure it out for a year before I do it. Yes, there were things we had to work on. So anyway, what's really funny though is that my iPad stand that I'm using to film is actually a K Creation stand. It works really well. And it was holding my phone before when I was using my phone. Now, as we look at our designers, do you notice the synchronicity? And they're not related, and they're all doing different boxes. And yet, we can see that our motifs come together brilliantly. Okay, so today we're going to start with Black Needle Society first, because I guess I kind of go like little to bigger, I guess. So we're going to start with this one. What's it feel like? I really like this bag. I'm going to end up keeping these bags and using them again. Ooh, and remember, I just opened this in front of you. Enjoy the bag, day 18. Oh, you don't know how happy I am. I'm doing the frosted pumpkin stitchery Arctic, stitching along. You know who you are if you're doing it. Tell me this is not perfect. And this is really perfect because I'm behind. So I will be using that for that project. Unless, of course, something's coming up. I hope my designers don't mind that I love this. I love this so much. Have you noticed there's like an Arctic animal motif going around? I've noticed. If my daughter wasn't 29 years old, I might be decorating her bedroom in Arctic animals. And I would cheat and include the Antarctic animals also. But this is so cute, and it's a handy little bin. And maybe we can start putting our stuff in there, because I didn't plan this out right. So when we go through all the days, when we get to day 25, I think what I'll do is just do still shots for each designer. I'll do a separate one for each designer, and so you can see that one designer, and I'll let the iMovie do its thing. But I'm going to tell you right now that there might be something from one designer that I might have not put in the right place. I think I've been pretty organized. I think. But then again, this is so cute. Okay, I'm going to put that over there. It's a figgy pudding. I'm just saying that. There's no place like home for the holidays. There's no place like home for the holidays. I know you already figured out the picture. I thought it was going to be like a puzzle or something, but it's Santa's workshop. I have never tried these. I have never tried these. So you stitch on them, right? And you create your own little ornament. Isn't that cute? Isn't that really cute? This seems to me a great thing to do when you're stressed out, right? I mean, you can use a little ribbon and tie it, and you can see that we've gotten little ribbons from people to tie into things. I did figure out how to organize after I'd already started. Let's see what stitch he has. Let me move it away, because I cannot believe sometimes how loud the paper is. What does this feel like? Day 18. Oh. Can you read that? Is that lapis? 8 yards, limited edition, French spun silk. Shameless plug for stitchybox.com. This is so soft. And if you remember day 17, we also received some silk. I love how each manufacturer that makes silk, it feels just a little bit different. This is the other thing I like about silk. It seems to lay very thick. I like that. Some people don't, but I do. That is beautiful. That is just lovely and beautiful. Let's see here. Add a wintry purple to your Christmas palette with gorgeous lapis. Okay, this is funny because the Pantone color of the year, I really felt it was going to go, I don't know why I thought it was going to go more cool. And I think it went this kind of brown with an undertone of rose. I'm going to have to look again. 18 is by XJU Designs. Somebody's going to have to help me in comments. Is it XJU Designs? Is it XJU Designs? Is that what it is? Or am I saying that wrong? Ooh. 36 count linen, Edinburgh Moonshine, 19 inches. And then let's give a plug out. You can see that. Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Etsy, mail too. Okay, they've got it covered. This is, I'm gonna be honest, I can't stitch on 36. I mean, I could, but I'd be there for a while. That is really fantastic. Let me unwrap it for you. Let's unwrap it so you can take a look at this. This is a nice big piece too. Ooh, that could be snowflakes, that could be pretty much whatever you want. Of course, the camera's not going to do it justice. It has this light lilac feel. So I think it's coming out brown and yellow on the camera, but it actually feels like white with an undertone of a very, very pale lilac. So it is especially beautiful. And, you know, sometimes these things don't show up on camera, as we all know. But that is day 18. I can't believe it. There you go. Have a wonderful, not stressed out day. I hope your Christmas shopping is done. I hope your tree is up. I hope your lights are going on. I hope the cooking is going well. But that is day 18.